Yo, what's up everyone? Today we're going to see how we can share internet connection from your smartphone to PC using a wired connection. Basically it's like using your phone as a router. Kind of. In my last video I showed you how you can share internet connection from one PC to another using Ethernet cable, but some people were like, no, I don't have Ethernet port in my laptop. Okay, you didn't have access to Wi-Fi, then you didn't have Ethernet port. Now don't tell me you don't have a USB port in your laptop. If so, you can actually die in peace. Throw your laptop out of your window. Bam. Anyways, let's start the video. There are 3 ways to share your internet connection from your phone to laptop. One is wirelessly using a hotspot connection, which we're not going to talk about in this video. The other way is using your Bluetooth to share internet connection. This one is a wireless method, however, but we're going to see it anyways. The third one will be the wired method. So first of all, I will disconnect my Wi-Fi and turn it off. Next, go to Bluetooth settings. In your phone, go to Bluetooth settings as well and connect 2 devices. Pair devices and confirm the passkey in both mobile phone and laptop. Yes, and next, in your phone, go to settings, connection, mobile hotspot and tethering, and enable Bluetooth tethering. In your laptop, right click on Wi-Fi and click open network and internet settings, and go to change adapter options. Right click on Bluetooth network and view Bluetooth network devices. Then right click on your phone and connect using choose access point. In your case, it might prompt you to allow your PC to be discoverable, and or just hit yes, and that's it. Now your PC is connected to the internet. Let's test the internet in the legendary Internet Explorer. Opening YouTube, and it works. Awesome. Now the third way to share internet using a wired connection. I'll show you the wired connection in both Windows and Linux, Ubuntu that is. First of all, connect your mobile phone to your PC using the USB cable. As long as you don't have something like this, you're good to go. Plug in your phone. In your mobile phone, go to settings, connection, and mobile hotspot and tethering, and turn on USB tethering. As soon as you do that, the internet should start working in your laptop. So here, for some reason, if it doesn't work for you, that is because there is something wrong with your USB. Try to use another USB. Trust me, that happened to me, and I was and after I changed my USB, it worked. I was just holding my head and just thinking what was wrong and why was it not working. It was because of the USB. So for Ubuntu, it's the same thing as well. It's the same method. Just in your phone, go to connection and mobile hotspot and tethering, and just turn on USB tethering. The internet should start working right away in Ubuntu. That's it for this video. If you have any problem, don't hesitate to comment. I'll be sure to help you. Thanks for watching.